Hi everyone. In this video, I'm demonstrating an AI voice agent that is able to handle user queries or common issues and search them on the knowledge base at ServiceNow. Here in ServiceNow, you can see multiple articles in this instance of ServiceNow. We will go to the function section now and configure an API that is able to get those articles from the ServiceNow. Here you can see we've configured a function that is able to get those articles for any issue that the user is querying about. Going back to the assistant section, we have a knowledge-based voice agent, which is able to do just that. In the function section, we've assigned a search knowledge base function that we've configured earlier. Let's see it in action.
Hello, welcome to ServiceNow. How can I help you?
Hey, I'm facing an issue with my system. The USB port is not working on my PC.
Thanks. USB ports can stop responding sometimes. Try these simple steps and tell me what happens after each one. Bar 1. Scan for hardware changes. Device Manager. Press Start, type dvmgmt.msc, and press Enter to open Device Manager. In Device Manager, select the top item, your computer name. From the Action menu, choose Scan for hardware changes. Try the USB device again. 2. Restart the PC. If scanning didn't help, restart the computer and test the USB port after it boots.
Okay, that would be all.
Note-
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Goodbye.
As you can see, the agent was able to get the article from the knowledge base at ServiceNow and start seeing the steps of the workaround for the fix.